Hi everyone, today we are going to start a basic of economics, right? And in this basic of economics, we will cover entire syllabus or entire course of the economy, right? So let's start and study with the focus. You can also write down your own notes with the help of these notes. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we will understand basically what is an economy. Right, what is an economy? So basically, economy, it is a system which provides means to work and earn a living of the people. Basically, it's represent a geographical area. Let's suppose this is a geographical area and a person is working here. So he will get some money and he will do some kind of work. So this is the economy for these people. So this is the definition of economy. Now we have to understand what are the types of economy. So basically, economy has a two type, that is open economy and closed economy. Open economy are those economy which has economic relation with the other countries or with the other nation. If one country is trading with the other countries, then that country will be open economy. And closed economy are those economy which has no economic relation with the other countries. Okay, so this is the definitions of open economy and closed economy. Hope you are getting easily. Now we have to understand what are the difference between capitalist economy and basically socialist economy. Also, these are economy of the part of the economy, right guys? So first of all, if we talk about capitalist economy, then we have to understand that capitalist economy also called as free market economy. Okay, because the means of production are owned by private sector or private firms. Basically, capitalist economy also called as private economy. Capitalist economy works here for basically profit motive, and the central problem here solved by price mechanism. ओके गाइस, समझ में आ रहा है आपको अच्छे से क्लियरली? ठीक है. एंड द लास्ट इज दैट हियर यू कैन, it has freedom of choice according to your demand, according to your supply. You can choose product, you can choose what you want to consume or what you want to buy. So these are the basic characteristics of a capitalist economy. We have to move and understand what is socialist economy. So basically, socialist economy also called as centrally planned economy, because socialist economy also called as government economy, right guys? Government economy भी इसे कहा जाता है, because all of the means of production are owned by government sectors. And here the motive is not profit but social welfare. Here the profit, here the motive is social welfare. And in the socialist economy there is no freedom of choice. You don't have many options available in the market according to you want to choose or you want to consume. Okay, there are only the things are available which made by the government. Only few specific things are available in front of you. So here no freedom of choice is available. In socialist economy, centrally problem are solved by government sectors. तो होप गाइस कि आपको ये सारी बेसिक चीज़ें आपको समझ में आया होगा. एंड ऐसे ही हम लोग सारे बेसिक्स कॉन्सेप्ट को इजीली समझेंगे. अगर आप एक इकोनॉमिक्स के स्टूडेंट हो तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक कर सकते हो गाइस. चैनल को लाइक करो, चैनल को आप शेयर करो एंड सब्सक्राइब भी ज़रूर करो अगर आप एक इकोनॉमिक्स के स्टूडेंट हो. एंड होपिंग कि आपने टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन कर लिया होगा. अगर आपने नहीं किया है तो डोंट डिले. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप टेलीग्राम चैनल को ज्वाइन ज़रूर करें. विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन अच्छे से पढ़ते रहिए. टेक केयर. बाय.